Alright everybody, look, you gonna see how we get it down. Like, these bottles ain't gonna stop. And look at all these empty bitches. Look, there's another, there's Captain. There's Captain. There's Captain. McCarty, Jack Daniels, McCarty, Harris Bay, McCarty. Man, look. More McCarty.
Somebody get me a knife.
Look, everybody got a little Captain in them. Everybody. Hey, 410, bro. Damn, asshole. Oh, look, even more. Look at this one. Got some more of them. Some Crown. Knife. There's a knife. There's a quickie.
This is what I was drinking the night that I almost got shot. I was really drunk.
Look, we still got more over there. Oh, look, there's a Bacardi bottle down over there, too.
This is that homemade wine we're doing.
Fucking put that bitch in here.
Alright, I'm gonna roll out 410. 11, 16.
16.
Look, it was like 3 people's birthday, like, months ago, and that shit's still up. Happy birthday.
Come on, baby.
Shit ever gonna come out of here?
All them motherfucking bottles. Man. We some niggas that get fucked up.
Probably like the white boys.
Look, we don't even wear tight jeans like the white boys. Look at this. Baggy shorts, baggy shorts, baggy shorts, baggy shorts. But we do get wasted like the white boys. We put it down. We put it down.
Damn, this shit on top. What's in that bottle?
You have anything to say, Mr. Stretch?
I'm trying to get fucked up.
What about you, Zero Man?
About to get fucked up.
Alright,
I'm always fucked up.
Look at them pretty blue eyes. Man. We some alcoholics here. For real.
Come on, bitch. Shit, some of us are on probation.
So?
Some of us can't do drugs. All we do is fucking drink.
Yeah, this nigga got 5 years. 5 years probation. That's so horrible for him. Drive down. Damn. These documentaries are just gonna blow y'all's mind. Y'all keep on seeing. Look, what? Damn, I didn't even see them bottles over there. Look at that.
Yeah, those are the ones that I don't have anything in.
Let's go step around the house. Let's go see what all trouble we can find. What's in the refrigerator? We got the green flag right here. You know what that is? Purple. You know what that is? Look.
That's a big one.
Home skillet right there. You see that? You see it hanging out of his back pocket. Alright, you already know what that's about. Alright, got the computer on. Let's turn on the light right quick. Play. 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 It's everywhere. There's flags everywhere. There's so much love around here. With all our hearts everywhere. But you know we're gonna keep it held down.
Not on that. DVD player.
I'm trying to hook up the DVD player. A big video.
What time is it going on?
Just fucking start pushing buttons.
Hey,
Alright.
what are you doing now, huh?
Let me get this fucking or fucking the DVD movie here.